Hello, good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi sir, madam. My name is Lizette G. De La Cruz from Santa Barbara, Baliwag, Bulacan. I'm 40 years old. I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. And I have 2 siblings, 1 boy and 1 girl.
Do you have any experience working in abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, madam. In 2016 to 2018, I worked in Doha, Qatar. My work there is babysitting, taking care of baby, feeding the baby, and cook food for the baby. In 2018 to 2021, I worked in Saudi Arabia doing the household chores like cleaning, washing the dishes, ironing. In 2021 to 2023, I worked in Hong Kong, taking care of elderly, walking elderly in the night, cook food, wash the dishes, ironing, and taking care of pets, like take her shower.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong again?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because there is a high salary, safest place, and nice view.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I can say to myself that I am cheerful, understanding, and obedient.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for the employer that kind, understanding, and patient.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Hi sir, hi ma'am. If you will hire me as a helper, I will do my best. I will serve your family. I will follow the rule in your house.
Are you going to finish your contract?
Yes, madam.
What if your employer asks you to sign another contract with them?
I will sign the contract.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Bye.